Titan heavy-duty skid steer pallet fork attachment. Titan heavy-duty skid steer pallet fork attachment is 45.5 inches wide by 29.5 inches high. The heavy-duty frame has a universal skid steer style quick attach. Our heavy-duty skid steer pallet fork attachment comes with your choice of 48-inch and 60-inch removable fork blades. This frame allows you to adjust the forks from 6 inches to 44 inches apart with a capacity of 4,000 pounds. By upgrading to the bale spear option, your fork attachment becomes multi-purpose. This hay spear kit includes a durable 47-inch main spear with a 3,000-pound capacity and a pair of 17-inch stabilizer spears that bolt into heavy-duty spear sleeves mounted into your fork mast. The spears as well as the fork blades are removable and can be used together or separately with this versatile setup.